We can compare decimal numbers. 5.2 represents 5 wholes and 2 tenths. 3.4 represents 3 wholes and 4 tenths. 5.2 has 2 more orange Cuisenaire rods than 3.4. 5.2 is greater than 3.4. 2.6 represents 2 wholes and 6 tenths. 3.1 represents 3 wholes and 1 tenth. 2.6 has 1 less orange Cuisenaire rod than 3.1. 2.6 is less than 3.1. We can use a number line to help us compare numbers. 2.8 represents 2 wholes and 8 tenths. We can show 2.8 on our number line. 1, 2 wholes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tenths. We can show 3.6 on our number line. 1, 2, 3 wholes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths. .8 is less than 3.6. We know this because 2.8 is closer to 0 on the number line. .9 represents 1 whole and 9 tenths. We can show 1.9 on our number line. 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 tenths. We can show 0.4 on our number line. No wholes and 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths. .9 is greater than 0.4. 1.9 is further away from 0 on the number line. We can compare two numbers just by looking at their digits. 2.4 represents 2 wholes and 4 tenths. 3.1 represents 3 wholes and 1 tenth. 3.1 has 1 more whole than 2.4. The digit in the ones column has the greatest value because each one is made up of 10 tenths. 1.6 represents 1 whole and 6 tenths. 3.4 represents 3 wholes and 4 tenths. 3.4 is greater than 1.6 because 3.4 has 2 more wholes than 1.6. The digit in the ones column has the greatest value because each whole one is made up of 10 tenths. 4.1 represents 4 wholes and 1 tenth. 4.4 represents 4 wholes and 4 tenths. Although the ones column has the digit with the highest value, 4.1 and 4.4 have the same number of ones. Because of this, we need to look at the value of the digit in the tenths column to compare these two numbers. 4.4 has 3 more tenths than 4.1. 4.4 is greater than 4.1. 2.7 represents 2 wholes and 7 tenths. 2.3 represents 2 wholes and 3 tenths. Although the digit in the ones column has the highest value, both 2.7 and 2.3 have 2 ones. So we need to look at the value of the digit in the tenths column. 2.7 has 4 more tenths than 2.3, so 2.7 is greater than 2.3. These deans represent 1 whole and 9 tenths. These deans represent 2 wholes. To compare two numbers, we compare digits with the same place value, starting with the largest place value digit. The ones digit has the greatest value. 2 is greater than 1. So 2 is greater than 1.9. To compare two numbers, we compare digits with the same place value, starting with the largest place value digit. 6.3 and 4.9. The ones digit has the greatest value, so we can compare the ones digits. 6 is greater than 4, so 6.3 is greater than 4.9. 2.7 and 3.4. To compare two numbers, we compare digits with the same place value, starting with the largest place value digit. The ones digit has the largest value, so we can compare the ones. 2 is less than 3. So 2.7 is less than 3.4. 1.8 and 1.5. To compare two numbers, we compare digits with the same place value, starting with the largest place value digit. The ones digit has the largest value, so we start by comparing these. 1 and 1 are equal. Because of this, we now need to compare the digits in the column that has the next largest place value. The tenths column has the next largest place value, so we can compare the tenths. 8 tenths is greater than 5 tenths, so 1.8 is greater than 1.5. 7.2 and 7.6. To compare two numbers, we compare digits with the same place value, starting with the largest place value digit. The ones digit has the largest value. Both ones columns have the number 7 in them. Because these are equal, we need to compare the digits in the column with the next largest place value. The tenths column has the next largest place value. 2 tenths is less than 6 tenths. So 7.2 is less than 7.6. 4.6 and 5. To compare two numbers, we compare digits with the same place value, starting with the largest place value digit. The digit in the ones column has the greatest value, so we can compare these. 4 is less than 5. So 4.6 is less than 5. 3 and 3.9. To compare two numbers, we compare digits with the same place value, starting with the largest place value digit. The largest place value digit is in the ones column. Both numbers have a 3 in the ones column, so we need to look at the digit in the next largest place value column. 3 has no tenths. 3.9 has 9 tenths. 3 is less than 3.9.